Should I start, Professor?
Go ahead, sir. Sure.
I'm Dr. Satish Kumar Sharma. Got doctorate from IIT Madras in 1993. And I met you once in connection with some program. There was a Manu Santanam also I met. Relating to courses, I got 9 certificates so far. And I am candidate for 10th course now. And I topped in 2 of the courses. I find these courses to be wonderful, particularly rehabilitation and retrofitting conducted by IIT Kharagpur. That was excellent. And recently, from IIT Madras, we had maintenance and repair of concrete structures. Again, wonderful. First course was by Professor Santanam, Advanced Concrete Technology. That is the area of my research also. Wonderful courses. And practical orientation is also being given. I find that good number of people from industry are also being involved, and of late, research scholars are also being involved. So that is a wonderful thing. So we are looking after the future of the country also. I find these courses to be very, very useful. I'm 70 years plus, still teaching somewhere. I am from the industry. I retired as commissioner and secretary from Port Blair. After that, director of some engineering college, head of department till recently. Now I'm changing to another college. But these courses are very, very useful. People are
I think you're muted. You're muted, Dr. Satish Kumar. You have to unmute again.
Right, sir. So I find that these courses are very, very useful, not only from the viewpoint of academics, from the viewpoint of industry also. If numerical content can be added wherever possible, for example, building and maintenance, that was good. Professor covered lot many things relating to cathodic protection. There's scope for adding some numericals also. That will make it slightly better. Otherwise, more or less, wonderful courses, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
I was benefited, sir.
Thank you very much. Anybody else? Anybody else?
Yes, sir. Can I start it, sir?
Go ahead.
Myself, Dr. G.C. Behra. I have completed more than 18 courses through NPTEL. And I have been 2 times NPTEL star and 1 time NPTEL motivated learner. I think all the courses I have taken, so many courses. Just recently, I have taken characterization of construction materials. And other materials I have taken through IIT Madras and some other from other sources. It is very good thing. And we are learning, though we have the experience of 30 years, still then we are learning. But so much courses, it is beneficial to us also. But the major problem is in some courses, the teachers are not going through the basics. They are skipping all these things. Maybe due to the lack of time or shortage of this, say 12-week courses, it cannot be accommodated. But the thing is, if the basic things will be accommodated, it will be beneficial to us and beneficial to the students. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, sir. I think Dr. Hemamati has her hand up. Go ahead, Dr. Hemamati.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, myself, Dr. Hemamati from RMK Engineering College. I am basically structural engineering, sir. And first of all, I would like to thank the IITs for giving us this opportunity to recognize us as stars. So in that part, I'm very happy about it. I had an urge for learning a lot of courses from structural engineering. One feedback what I had was when I faced the exam for structural analysis. So the exam, it contained many matrix solved questions, which I felt was time consuming. I was not able to complete my entire questions because we are using virtual calculators and all. So if that part of it is taken care while attempting the exam, it will again motivate us and also the students because I thought I was good in analysis, and when the mark came, I felt a little dejected. So I think in that part of it, you can just take it forward, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sure, Hemamati. We'll see what can be done. I think Alvina wanted to speak but could not find the hand icon. Alvina, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Sir, I'm actually a student from St. Joseph's Engineering College. And the whole main reason I took up NPTEL courses is because I wanted credit transfer. And I'm the first student from SJEC to sign up for honors degree at VTU level. And fortunately, this time I passed all my exams. And I'm very grateful to the NPTEL community because it's through their explanation and courses and it's through their videos that I was able to, successfully get the necessary credits that I needed. And yeah, sir, mostly I have very positive feedback. But one thing that I have realized is this isn't exactly related to my particular discipline. I think it's related to NPTEL in general. Many students don't really go forward, to opt for an honors degree, mostly because of the cost.
Yeah, go ahead. Alvina, I think you were muted. I think you can unmute and speak. We lost you for a few seconds.
Hello, sir.
All right. Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
All right, great. So basically, sir, one thing that I've realized is a lot of students aren't really, motivated to opt for NPTEL courses. And one really important thing is the fact that we have to pay 1,000 rupees for the exam. So obviously, I understand the fact that we have to pay 1,000 rupees because it's a very big course, and you get a lot of information through it. You have the study material for you have a lifelong access to it. And another thing is the credit transfer. Credits are really needed at this point. So I can understand, but a lot of students weren't really interested to opt for honors degree, mostly because of the cost related to these courses. And the fact that we needed 18 or more credits. And the fact that we had to complete 6 or more courses in a span of 2.5 years. And the fact that we had to, spend more than 7K, that is if we fail in one of those exams. So the cost was the only thing that was, keeping all of us back. Other than that, everything was really good. It was up to the standards that we were promised.
Good.
So,
Very good.
that's all.
So you took for honors for your bachelor's degree, is it?
Yes, sir. It was a prestigious, the degree. This honors degree was a prestigious level for our bachelor's in engineering at this point. And many students were motivated to go forward, mostly because every student that had their CGPA above 8.5, they were motivated to go forward because the CGPA of 8.5 was our threshold CGPA. Like we needed to have that CGPA if we wanted to go for honors. And more than that, we also have to get 18 or more credits under the VTU level to be eligible for that. So yes, sir.
So afterwards, come to IIT Madras. We have a good program. As all of you would have heard, we have retained our national ranking as #1 institute and also engineering institution. So we have a very good civil engineering department. Professor Manu, until recently, was the head of civil engineering before he took up his position as dean here. So all of you who are eligible, who enjoyed the NPTEL courses and want to learn a lot, please do come. You can write to one of us and ask us for advice and suggestions. But we would certainly like to have all of you who have spent so much energy with the NPTEL. We know that you're very committed, and we'd love to have you as postgraduate students at IIT Madras. We have several programs. We have the PhD, which is the highest level. Then we have a Master of Science by Research, which has more of research, less of courses. We have 2 MTech programs that we run. One is or several MTech programs. And we also have a user-oriented MTech program, which is with L&T, Larsen & Toubro. So a lot of opportunities to do PG studies. We also have a direct PhD admission for those who have a high CGPA in their bachelor's. They can even join our PhD directly. Maybe Professor Manu, being head until recently, he'll know the numbers better. Maybe Manu, if you want to give some statistics of our PG admission and the different requirements, that'll be great.
Yeah, so as Professor Getto had mentioned, we had we have the Masters by Research, that is called MS, Master of Science. And then we have Masters by Coursework or MTech. MTech, of course, admission is through GATE. So all of you must be aware of that. MS by Research, we actually would like to get a lot more students in this stream because it gives an opportunity for you to try out your aptitude for research, because the pressure in a Masters by Research is not really that high. You can see whether you're really interested in research before you commit for a PhD. So, I mean, certainly I would think that that would be a very good option for many of you to come here. We, on an yearly basis, we have about 20 openings in Masters by Research, but you can definitely, I mean, we don't necessarily fill up all those 20 seats, but I'm sure that you'll be able to apply and get in here. I think the question related to this that Alvina raised was, do we need GATE? Yes, you need a GATE score to qualify for the interview for Masters by Research, but the admission is not solely based on GATE. GATE is just a cutoff criterion that you need to qualify. And then the admission is based on interview that is conducted in the department. PhD, of course, you can apply, as Professor Gettu said, as a direct PhD program right after bachelor's, or you could apply after you finish your master's also. I think several people have hands raised. Probably we can.
Yeah, I think Ajim was next. Ajim Sutar.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible to you, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Actually, it was a pleasant and very knowledgeful experience learning all the courses. I have completed more than 15 courses and I'm a discipline star till now. And I'm also fetching towards getting the domain star as well, recognition. So I've enrolled latest, or I've completed my course latest in air pollution and air pollution and control, and I've also got this top 2% holding in that course. The things that I've noticed into the course is that the contents are very elaborative, extensive, but one thing I have come across that the mode of examination, like whether it is objective online or pen paper, that is not mentioned in the very previous stage when we are registering. So that should be mentioned at the very first day, so that the students will be able to make themselves prepared for the examination according to the mode of examination. Because I have myself failed in one of the exam due to this criteria, which I wasn't able to know from the first day. And at the admit card, issuing of the admit card, it was written that it will be on pen and paper. So I was not prepared for that examination well before. So this is only the one point I would like to bring into your notice. And I'm thankful to all to give me this recognition and chance to give my or the expressions of feelings in front of you all dignitaries. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think next is Akash Babar.
Hello, sir. Can you please hear me?
Go ahead.
Sir, I have completed 8 courses from the structural engineering domain through NPTEL. So NPTEL till now has helped me in clearing my GATE exam twice, getting my first jobs, also boosting up my core knowledge. Now I have started my own company. This is all thanks to NPTEL. I would like to have some suggestions from my side towards NPTEL regarding the structural engineering subjects. We need to have a conventional pen paper based mode for particular subjects like structural design of reinforced concrete or steel connection design. So, and another one thing is that I have seen that large number of students are not attracted to online courses in civil engineering. So I would like to have some words from you regarding that. How can we attract large number of people to enroll in these courses? Because most of the online courses are from the computer and IT related branches. Thank you.
Thank you. I think one of your suggestions is to have more courses. Certainly, we will try to have more and more courses and encourage people. One way to get more people to come is all of you. See, you are our best ambassadors to tell people that the course was useful. And what we are hearing is that most of you are happy with all aspects of the courses. So you should spread the word. You should put it out on social media. You should tell people which are the courses you found useful so that others can follow. And other aspects like exams and so on, I think the NPTEL person here, Revati, might take notes and tell. There is some logistical challenges to having pen and paper exams for everyone. I remember when I first started NPTEL, I used to give pen and paper. And then when you have to correct 300, 400 exams or even 1,000 exams, it becomes very challenging and we don't have much time. No, all of you are also hurry to get the marks out, especially if the credit transfer also has to be done. So it puts a big challenge in doing pen and paper exams. And again, same thing with tutorials. Having pen and paper will become difficult when you have hundreds or thousands of people. So those are the challenges. We will see how to address them as we learn more about this mode of education. Bharat, you want to go next?
Very good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Bharat Kumar Dulani. Sir, I am a student of structural engineering in SSI PMT Raipur. I started NPTEL. I started doing NPTEL courses in 2021, and till now I have done 22 courses in civil engineering. I am highly obliged to the NPTEL team and all the NPTEL professors for providing me this huge amount of knowledge. So secondly, I would like to say I am not that fluent in English, so I apologize for.
You're speaking very well.
Yeah, you're speaking very well, Bharat. Don't feel bad.
I apologize for murmuring in between. Thirdly, sir, I was a topper in advanced. I was a topper in the course advanced topics in civil engineering and concrete. I have no suggestion nor something I could tell, but I have just one feedback. I just want a suggestion from you. Just how can I pursue PhD in IIT Madras from being from a tier 3 college?
But where you come from will not matter, Bharat. I'm sure Professor Manu can give you statistics of many students. We've had very good students from tier 2 or tier 3 colleges. We have 2 calls for admission. Yeah, Manu, you can take it from there.
We have 2 calls for admission, one in December, one in July. I mean, the sessions are in December and July. So the interviews are typically held in October, November, and then May. So you can consider applying anytime. Actually, the call is open year round. We basically consider the admissions only in 2 batches, but the call is open all through. And as Professor Gettu said, we really don't have a problem depending on the candidate's college where you did your BTech or your MTech. The idea is that you should have had a good academic standing. That's what we look at. And of course, that will show in the interview when you face the team that is interviewing. And if you're successfully able to defend and answer questions, and also ensure that you bring in some research aptitude, definitely nothing can stop you from getting into a PhD program.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, I have second question. Sir, like I am doing masters in structural engineering. So I have decided that I want to become a professor in this field. I don't want to go in consultancy or anything. So, sir, how can you guide me, if I have done masters in structural engineering, so is it better to do PhD also in structural engineering, or I should change the stream in like biotech or anything else? That would be beneficial, or doing PhD in structural engineering, that would be beneficial?
See, basically, you follow what you are passionate about. From structures, you can change to many things. Maybe if some areas may be difficult. If you want to go from structures to environmental engineering, from structures to transportation planning, it may be difficult. But structures is very broad. You will fit into our area, like Professor Manu and myself work on construction materials. So you will fit in perfectly. Geotechnical also, transportation structures, So that you should not worry. But first you decide what you are passionate about. Where do you see yourself spending the rest of your life, in which domain? And then you decide, and then you see what is the eligibility. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
That's what you should do, Bharat. You should not worry too much. You first think, what is that you enjoy doing? What is the type of work? Look at the websites. All IITs have websites. You can write to some professors also and say that I would like to work in the area that you're working in, and how do I go about it? That can be done.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thanks. Thank you for allowing me to speak in front of you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Pleasure. All the
Good
best.
day, sir.
And I think you do you have the record for number of courses? I think you said 22, right, Bharat?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't know. Anyone has taken more than 22, more than Bharat, or this is the record? If somebody has taken more courses, put it in chat. We'll see what is the maximum number of courses taken by anyone.
25.
Nitin says 25.
Sir,
So
sir, till now I'm not only a domain star, but after all, an NPTEL believer, NPTEL discipline
Very
star,
good, very
NPTEL
good.
enthusiast, NPTEL motivated learner. The only thing is left is the NPTEL domain star. So I am pursuing to do that.
Sure.
NPTEL domain star.
Yeah, look, we have Venkateshwarlu who has done 46 courses. So lot of future. Okay, we'll go to Shija. Shija has a
Time
hand
to
up
log
for
off.
time. Thank you, Bharat.
Thank you.
Shija, go
Thank you,
ahead.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, good afternoon to one and all present here. So I'm Shija from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. I'm working as the assistant professor from the Department of Chemistry. But I have taken the civil engineering courses because my area of research is environmental science. I have done my PhD in environmental science, and therefore I took the civil engineering and moreover the environmental engineering papers. And I have done around 7 courses in environmental engineering, and I have secured toppers in 3. And I was very happy to hear that you are encouraging students from other colleges to do MTech, that is masters as well as PhDs. So I think I can motivate my students also, because we are giving a good amount of training for clearing the GATE exams for the students. So I think we can encourage and motivate our students also, so that they can join in the premier institutions like IIT Madras and so. And one thing I wanted to just oblige is that is there any research prospects for the faculty like us? Because I have already gone through SFRF program in IIT Delhi recently with Professor Arun Kumar of Civil Engineering Department. So is there any prospects like that to pursue or to have a collaborative research with the civil engineering professors from IIT Madras?
Sure. So couple of things, Shija, and then afterwards Professor Manu will explain more about research. He is currently the Dean for R&D or Industrial Consultancy and Sponsored Research. Now, you had asked about the students, non-IIT students coming for postgraduate. Most of our postgraduate students are not from IITs. So sometimes people from outside might think that we will take only our own students for postgraduate studies. Most of our students, I would even dare to say 95% of our students are not from any IIT. So they are from other colleges. So certainly you should encourage your students to try to do PG, especially your good students. We want good students. And since you are NPTEL, all of you have taken NPTEL and you understand the level of quality that we require, you can write to us recommending others. If you are a teacher somewhere and you have a brilliant student who you think should come to an IIT, please write to us and say, then we can talk to the student and we can encourage them.
Definitely, sir. Thank you, sir. And I also wanted
and maybe,
to
Professor Manu can talk about collaborative projects. Again, lot of possibilities are there.
Yeah, there was a recent program called TARI, in which a number of faculty members from other institutes actually joined IITM faculty for short-term research programs. So there's several initiatives like that, which enable faculty from other institutes to come and spend, I think, up to 3 months on and working on some research problems. Of course, once that happens, it can also be fine-tuned into a research proposal, and more collaboration can happen from that point onwards. So there are opportunities like that. Certainly.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So we will definitely work towards that. Sir, how to apply for TARE, sir?
TARE is I think that's a national call. So the recent call got over, I think. So maybe you can look out for specific time period when it comes out. Maybe while we are on this call, I'll try to figure out when the next call for TARE is.
Okay, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Vishal, you can go next.
Good morning, sirs. Am I audible?
Yes, go ahead.
I currently finished my BE in civil engineering, and I've done around 10 courses in NPTEL. NPTEL helped me clear 2 GATE papers in this year, civil engineering and geomatics. So I'm very grateful for it. Even the videos available for other courses which I have not enrolled were available for free. So it helped me a lot. One thing I would like to ask is, are there any chances of NPTEL opening other domain scholarships? Like, I am interested in hydrology, and till now there are a number of courses in NPTEL in hydrology, but there is no domain star availability. So I would like to put that.
Yeah, I think maybe Revati will note that down. I don't know what is the procedure for domains. I think there has to be enough collection of.
There have to be enough number of courses. I think we have not been able to identify sufficient number of courses to consider as part of the domain. So I guess this will improve as we go along. More and more people are recording their content. I'm sure that we'll have more possibilities for this happening in the near future.
And I would also like to thank NPTEL for providing me an internship opportunity at IIT Bombay.
Very good.
Thank you.
So Saya?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I'm a master student at IIT Kanpur, and currently I'm working on infrastructure asset management, like in my second year as in research part. And I've taken NPTEL courses, I guess, quite a few. And one thing that it distinguishes is the quality of content. Like if you go on Coursera or edX, it's not that technical, right? The NPTEL courses are way more technical and they are good in content. So that is something that I find very interesting in NPTEL. One suggestion that I had for courses is that when typically we conduct courses inside IIT, or like when the courses are conducted offline, we sort of have small projects or something which can enhance the learning. I think with NPTEL assignments, that is very limited because you have simply MCQ questions or sometimes very small questions. Because I understand that given the size of courses, it's difficult to sometimes conduct, but maybe if you could do some optional assignments wherein the students could maybe take if they want and otherwise not. So small projects or something like that to enhance the understanding. I think that would be a great addition. Apart from that, yeah, I enjoyed a lot of courses. In fact, I was a topper in Sir Manu Sir's courses, advanced complete. This was our first time, I guess. So, yeah, great experience. Sir.
Good.
Thank you. I think you had contacted me during our undergrad.
Yes, sir. We also met at one of the conferences in Pune, where you gave a lecture.
I think Professor Gettu was also there. Both of us.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He was also there. You spoke about 3D concrete. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Come for PhD here to IIT Madras.
Sure, sir. Yeah, currently, sir, I'm thinking of exploring a few years in industry. I have like a job at structural engineering AECOM, so I'll get back to him, sir. Sure.
Sure. Very good. Maruzamuthu, can we go with you next?
Very good afternoon, sir. Both of you, Manusandanam sir and very good afternoon, sir. First of all, I would like to thank the whole NPTEL team and IIT Madras to give us such a great opportunity to us to speak with such a great professors like Manusandanam sir and Ravindra Gittu sir. I completed my ME Structural Engineering from Sri Krishna College of Technology, Coimbatore, sir. I am currently working as a project assistant in National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli, in Kaya Geotextile Reinforced Rural Roads in Tamil Nadu, sir. I have a lot of interested in construction materials and technology domains, sir. I got a domain certificate from construction materials and technology. Personally, I like your modern construction material course and advanced concrete technology course, sir. Can you give a in-person meeting, sir? Can you please give a chance to meet you, both of you as a person in person at IIT Madras? Any chance to meet you, sir?
Sure, write to us. See, we are mostly here. You write to us, and then we can tell you when we are available. Certainly, you come. We don't stop anyone from coming, and we'll always like to see people who have taken our courses, and maybe especially if you're interested in doing postgraduate studies at IIT Madras, certainly our doors are open and you can come.
Sir, yes, sir. I completed MTech, sir. Any possibility to doing PhD without gate score and or any other possibilities, sir?
See, what you must do is you should go to the call and see what the cutoff is. We have different cutoffs, depending on categories. There is also other schemes now. We have something called the Prime Minister's Fellowship, which has very high, almost double the fellowship of our regular students. So a lot of opportunities are there. Everything is given in detail in our websites.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Gaurav?
much, sir.
Can we go with you, Gaurav?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. I'm an assistant professor working in Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies in the Department of Civil Engineering, and I am also working as an research scholar at NIT Surat. And today I have been recognized as NPTEL Star and NPTEL Discipline Star and NPTEL Motivated Learner. And first of all, I will start saying it is a big opportunity for me, sir, to be here along with the very recognized name in my industry, that is in civil engineering and especially in academics, that is Professor Ravindra sir and Professor Manu Santanam sir. So it's a big thing to be here in the same meeting, sir. And you are like torch bearer to us, sir, and we are following you, sir. I would like to thank all the faculties who have taught us in this NPTEL program, and we have a huge respect for the entire team of NPTEL. I would like to ask, sir, is it a good time to share feedback also, sir?
Yeah, go ahead. Brief feedback. We have about 20 minutes left.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Only a small thing, sir, that I would like to add on, that there should be some programs for the software-based learning, that what softwares we are following in the industry, especially in structural engineering, that is the ETABS, STRAD Pro, STRAD Foundation. What are the basic softwares available to the working professionals? So there must be some dedicated courses that I feel like, sir. Maybe possible that there are some barrier in providing this type of courses. So I think this type of courses should also be available. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Go with Nagaraju.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. This is Nagaraju Kola. I'm a master's student. I have done my master's in structural engineering from Vignan University, Guntur. Right now, I'm working as a structural engineer and a construction specialist with Parsons International, the American based. And right now, my workstation at Muscat, Oman. And sir, actually, I'm very much glad to NPTEL recognize me as a discipline star. And thank you, Getu sir. I learned many things from you about the modern construction material. You taught me. Thank you very much, sir, regarding that. And actually, sir, NPTEL helps me a lot to learn other subjects than the structural engineering, because right now I'm working as a structural engineer. Therefore, I can keep update myself as a regarding the structural things. But whereas I'm losing grip over the other subjects, like which I learned in the bachelor's engineering time. So now I have got the very good chance learn such things from very reputed, like those are the pride of India, like IITs. I'm learning the subjects from IITs in more elaborate manner. And I have done like about 6 courses other than structural engineering through NPTEL. And really, I'm very much thankful to NPTEL, and thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Surya Narayana.
இது இருக்குதா ஹெட்போன் இருக்கா?
Surya Narayan, you want to go next?
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Surya Narayan from Hyderabad. Sir, I am a staunch believer and follower of NPTEL. Sir, I have completed a diploma in civil engineering and I have more than 18 years experience in quality control lab in construction industry. That's at present I am having my job at Hyderabad, and it is a prestigious project like construction of a 5-star rated green building. This is the Civil Aviation Research Organization. And from the EPC contractor side, I am working as a quality control manager.
Okay.
Earned 11 certificates from NPTEL and also on the NPTEL Believer Star and NP Star also. Sir, actually it is very useful for us for promotion like salary hike, because NPTEL certificate is offered by IITs. So it is very useful to us. So I would like to urge you to introduce more courses like transportation engineering lab. Like there is also geotechnical engineering lab, which is provided by IIT Bombay. So I would like to urge you that it is be better for the working professional if you add on this course, transportation engineering laboratory, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Surya Narayan. Sujoy, we'll go with you, Sujoy Kole. Sujoy, are you there?
Hello, sir.
Go ahead, Sujoy.
Myself Sujay Kole. I am from West Bengal, Howrah district. I have completed my diploma in civil engineering in 2013. After that, I have got job in L&T construction. After three years, I left that job. After that, I am looking for government jobs, but I can't get proper jobs. After that, I decide to complete my BTech. During BTech, I looking for NPTEL courses. It is my great exposure to join NPTEL courses from different IITs, especially IIT Madras. I am big fan of Professor Manu sir and Jetu sir too. Actually, sir, I am now working in MGNIG as a technical assistant in my home district, Howrah. Now I'm looking for crack SSC JEE. Last year I'm not successful in my mains paper, but NPTEL courses helped me a lot. Actually, I have great interest in concrete subjects, material related subjects. After I think now my main perspective is to get a central government job. After that, I am looking for a GATE or doing MA, MTech or MS from any IITs, but it is very tough for now actually, sir. I'm mainly looking for a government job. After that, I'm going for MTech or MS. Sir, actually, sorry, my English is not good so much, but I'm great thankful to NPTEL for this interaction with you great teachers of our nations.
Thank you.
Don't worry, Sujoy, your English is very good. So you should not worry. Yeah.
Actually, sir, Manu sir is like Lord Krishna in front of me.
Well, I don't know if you are telling it because of the potential gopikas or because of spreading knowledge. Well, Professor Manu Sartanam is one of our most popular teachers, and students like him a lot. He is very popular as a PhD guide also. So I'm sure that everyone in NPTEL also enjoys this.
Okay, sir.
Nitin, can you go next?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I am audible, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, I am Nitin Bhagat from Engineering College, Ajmer. I am final year student. Sir, I have completed around 25 courses from NPTEL, and I would like to show my gratitude toward the professors who have played a vital role in enhancing my knowledge. Sir, I want to pursue my future in armed forces in the engineering department, so I think it would help in my future. Sir, I have basically enrolled these courses for successfully completion of my honors degree. So that was my journey. I have enrolled from last 2 years, and last year I also got recognized as an NPTEL star, and this time also. So I would also like to continue in my future.
Very good. Very good. Good job, Nitin. I'm sure you will do great in the army. You may want to know that we also have programs where we get students from the army who come and do MTech and even PhD with us. So when you are in the army, certainly you can see opportunities to come to other IIT Madras and other IITs to do your MTech. I think you have to have a certain number years of experience, probably at the major level or something like that, you can come.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So I think we have heard everyone who wanted to speak. I don't see any hands up.
Sir, yes.
Yeah, Venkateshwarlu, go ahead. You are the record holder with 46 courses, all in civil engineering. I did not even know that we had 46 courses in civil engineering.
Not civil engineering, sir. Architecture as well.
Okay, very good.
Okay. Environmental also, sir.
Excellent.
First of all, my name is S. Venkateshwar, sir. I am working professional in TS Genco, Telangana State Power Generation Corporation Limited. I have started this journey in 2015, sir, because of effective and efficient, succinct way of teaching by the faculty of the IITs. Still, I am continuing my journey, sir, with the NPTEL. That is why, with the excellent way of teaching by the faculty, I am continuing my journey till date, sir. And most of the courses, I am the topper. Maximum top 5%, sir. I will be in the top 5%. 2 domain certificates, environmental civil engineering and construction material technology also I have completed. And recently I have attended your workshop, international workshop in 2021. You have conducted in the IIT Madras campus. I personally have seen all the faculty, sir, at IIT Madras, and personally met to Professor Mansantanam sir, on that day, but he could not remember. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me your valuable teachings. Has made me to score these.
Thank you.
Highest score. My sincere advice to GATE aspirants is kindly go through the videos of the NPTEL. That is enough without spending single rupee. Everybody can crack the GATE by going through the videos of all the faculties of IITs. You are the real heroes of the nation, sir. Strictly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Venkateshwar.
Super, sir.
Soon you should hit 50 for a record, 50 courses and go on, maybe reach 100.
My target 50, sir.
Yeah, look,
shortly I will reach.
Looks like you have a lot of energy and a lot of belief in the system. This is what we want.
Sir, yes.
Yeah,
I am addicted to NPTEL courses, sir, actually, strictly.
Very good. I think that's a good addiction to have for learning. Certainly.
Thank you very much, sir, for seeing you on the screen. Manusantanam, sir, and Ravindra.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
It's gratifying to us also. See, sometimes when we teach, we don't know who is listening and whether that's being appreciated or being put in use.
My second course is modern construction materials, sir.
Okay.
In 2015 or 16 something.
Yeah.
Recently, I have completed Manusantanam, sir's advanced concrete technology with 80 marks.
Okay.
Yeah, we are thinking of redoing these courses also. So maybe you can take it again and you can tell us which is better or what has changed.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. We have one person who's raised hand in chat.
Yeah. This is Samsung SM M215F.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. What is your name? I think it's not Samsung, right?
No. Yeah. My name is Pushpraj. I am from Bihar.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
You're audible, Pushpraj. Go ahead.
Yes. Last year means in 2021, 2 years back, I have completed my master degree in and before that after BTech, I have completed. Before that, I have pursued more than 15 NPTEL courses. Yeah, from environmental to civil domain, civil engineering domain. So I'm very thankful for the what we say. So you're conducting the all the environment, all courses. My question is, this year I have applied for PhD in environmental engineering in IIT Madras, but I didn't I didn't means I didn't pursue my I miss him as a research scholar, so I didn't selected. So I want to know that where is I am lacking. So I pursue my PhD. I don't know.
Pushparaj, it is, as you might guess, it's very competitive. Just like you, there are
Yes,
lots of people, and sometimes on
yes,
the
yes.
day of the interview, you may not do well, or you may not do well in the quiz. It's all quick thing. But what I would say is keep
Yes.
trying. Keep trying. There
Yes.
are a lot of good environmental programs in IIT Madras and well as other countries. Write to faculty, write to our faculty and say that you would like to do PhD with them. What is that you should prepare, how you should prepare a proposal, how you should prepare for the test, and they will be able to help you.
Actually, I want to pursue, I want to work in the solid waste management.
Okay.
So I've written some professors, but they didn't respond, I think. So I think they have a lot of emails. So I don't think they have much time. So how can I?
No, but don't give up in one try. I think you should send again.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Do it. And also in your area, we don't have many people. We have many people. We have also recruited some new faculty in the area of solid waste management.
Yes.
So I think they may be also interested. So look at younger people. We have a lot of senior faculty who are working in other areas. Solid waste, we don't have many people. So you can keep
name the professor?
I think one is Professor Madhav Kumar, and Manu, who is the
Madhav works on wastewater.
Wastewater.
Solid waste management is this new person, Mohan, I think, who just joined.
Mohan, yeah.
Mohan Krishnan. Yeah, Mohan Krishnan.
Mohan Krishnan, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So look at it. See, in our website, we have profiles for each of us. At IIT Madras, each faculty has a profile. And we have said what we work in. So you can check. Or you can write to the head of the department and say that you want to contact someone. See, it always, we get a lot of emails and sometimes things get lost. So, but you must have patience and
yes, I know.
Yeah. Okay, keep trying. Keep trying. We don't want to let any good student go. So it is in our interest also that we get all the good students possible.
Yes. Yeah, actually, in a application form, application window, they didn't mention if you have completed from course from NPTEL. So I could upload that certificate here. So that way they may convince, I think.
Yeah. You could write to them also. You can write to them, especially those you have taken courses from. You can say that I took this NPTEL course. And maybe that could give you the continuity. We'll move on. We are running out of time. Quickly, Yogesh, 1 minute. Yogesh Chauhan. Yogesh Chauhan.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Myself, Professor Yogesh Chauhan, Assistant Professor in Applied Mechanics Department at LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad. So my journey to NPTEL courses began in January 2019, and till then I have completed 17 courses in mostly in civil and ocean engineering departments. And in July to October 19, I was recognized as NPTEL Superstar. And then followed by I was also recognized as NPTEL Discipline Star Believers and Enthusiasts, and this time I got NPTEL Domain Star in Structural Design. NPTEL also helped me in my PhD work. Professor Srinivasan Chandrasekhan, he accepted my invitation and be my co-guide for my research work, and we jointly published 3 research papers in reputable journals, and the NPTEL platform helped me upgrade myself and improve the quality of my course content in my teaching learning process.
Very good, Yogesh. Thank
Good
you.
to know that. Yeah.
Thank
you.
Virendra?
1 minute.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I am Virendra. I have recognized as a discipline star. I have only completed 5 courses in NPTEL, in which I was topper in 2. At the topper from the river engineering course from IIT Guwahati, I was offered an internship there, but I couldn't able to attend that due to some personal reasons. So, and to this session, I have got topped in a concrete technology course offered by IIT Delhi, but they haven't offered any internship because I am in currently my final year and I have required an internship through this time. So I just want to address you that the internship should be offered to not for the topper, but also to top 5 or 10% students, so they can also able to attend the internship from the IITs.
Yeah, Virendra, I think you can also directly contact the faculty you want to work with. Possibly there may be some openings in labs. So I think that's a possibility. Of course, through NPTEL, they are only contacting toppers to invite them for internships. Yeah.
Okay, sir. And I second feedback was the content from the videos was very good and enough, but some videos qualities are low as they are pre-shooted and the previous time, sir. So this is only the problem.
Yeah, Virendra, you can also write to the faculty. If you find that somebody's course material can improve, you can write to us. We will take it positively. Okay, Chandramouli, 30 seconds. We have to wind up in 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Dr. Chandramouli from professor in Civil Engineering Department, MVJR College of Engineering, Vizianagaram, Andhra Pradesh, sir. First of all, I thank the NPTEL team and the coordinator, sir, for appreciating us in the form of this discipline stars, encouraging the NPTEL participants basically. And actually, sir, one very important thing here I would like to tell that without any single time preparation also, actually I wrote all the courses and I got passed in all courses, as well as I got in one course I got the topper. And really, if I can prepare well and I could, I think, attempt much more better. But in future, I will try, sir, actually, because of, sir, a lot of busy in administration and other works, we are not able to focus. But for the benefit of students only, for an example to the students, we are writing these exams and we are motivating them, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you. I think we'll have to close the meeting because I have another meeting as well, and I'm sure Professor Manu is also busy. Yeah, so I know we are leaving few people out, but we'd like to thank all of you. There'll be other opportunities, and write to us. We will see if we can correspond with you.
So thank you. Anytime you can write to us, we'll try our best to get back to you as early as possible. Right.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.